Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a fax using Microsoft Outlook step by step. Now, even though most communication today is digital, faxing is still used in certain situations, especially when dealing with businesses, legal documents, or official forms. The good news is, you don't need a physical fax machine anymore. You can send a fax directly from your Outlook account. Don't worry if this sounds new to you. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. So let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your Microsoft Outlook desktop application open. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the option to create a new email. Go ahead and click on New Email. This will open a blank email form which we're going to use to send the fax. At first, it looks like a regular email, but we'll make a few changes to turn it into a fax. Now, let's focus on the To field. Normally, you would enter an email address here, but this time you're going to enter the fax number instead. Type in the fax number of the person or organization you want to send the document to. After that, you'll need to add a special fax server address. So right after the fax number, add @faxsend.com. This part is very important because it tells Outlook to convert your email into a fax. You can think of it like dialing a full phone number. You need all the parts for it to work correctly. If this step is missing or incorrect, the fax won't go through. Now, let's move on to the subject line. Just like a normal email, you should add a short and clear subject. This helps the receiver understand what the fax is about before opening it. For example, you might write something like contract document or application form. Next comes the most important part, attaching your document. Click on the Attach File option and upload the document you want to send. Make sure your file is complete and in the correct format. Take a moment to double-check everything, including the pages, content, and formatting. This is especially important when sending official or sensitive documents because clarity really matters in fax communication. Now, let's move on to the final step. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button. And that's it. Your email will be processed and sent as a fax to the number you entered. You've now successfully sent a fax using Microsoft Outlook without needing any physical fax machine. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. First, always double-check the fax number and server address before sending, and make sure your document is clear and properly formatted to avoid any confusion on the receiving end. Using Outlook for faxing is a great way to combine modern technology with traditional communication methods. As you can see, the process is simple, but attention to detail is very important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Now, let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we opened Outlook and created a new email. Then, we entered the fax number followed by the server address in the To field. Next, we added a subject line to describe the document. After that, we attached the file we wanted to send. Finally, we clicked Send to deliver the fax. And that's everything you need to get started.